Hi, good day. On this video, we will measure the current consumption of the SAMR34 J18. The board we will be using is the SAMR34 Xplained Pro. And let's see what we should expect. Here's the current consumption table. And our hardware setup would be just the SAMR34X Pro with the MCU and GPIO measurement jumpers connected. Now going to the Xplained Pro User's Guide, it has an built-in XAM or Xplained Pro analog module. It is interfaced to the EDBG, and this EDBG will communicate with our Atmel Studio. As you can see here, I've already opened an example project, but let me show you how. I'm using the latest ASF version, 3.48.0, and let's say SAMR34. There would be the low power application. This is the example project that I used. And on the low power demo.c, you can see the documentation and what we should expect on the example project. And to measure the current, we're going to use the data visualizer. On the tools, there would be the data visualizer, or you haven't downloaded it yet. So now, let's try to talk to the board. Firstly, let's program it. Build succeeded, and it was already programmed. I'm more comfortable with my serial terminal. Let's see. Just to clear everything up. There we go. And let's connect the X Pro to the data visualizer. Let's minimize this first. And once you're connected, we want to connect through the power. But there's the power. This is the configuration, so maybe we could just enable it. Let's get an average on it. Range source. It should calibrate after a minute. It's good. I think the calibration is finished. And I think we can start. I will try to reboot the MCU just to be sure. Reset. There we go. And let's see what are the, oops, we have two panels here. Channel A. Can I disable it? Then average, channel B is the average, high resolution plus average. So let's see. I'm going to open the serial terminal again, and we'd like to enter parameter A first. System will switch to PL0, performance level 0, 12 megahertz. Let's enter B. We should expect a higher current consumption. This is the performance level 2. And Where are we? We're at 8.8 milliamps. Let's just directly enter the low power modes. So now, ideal mode, C. As you can see here, our current has now dropped. This is the instantaneous value. Now to wake up the device, I need to press button 0 as discussed here, since we are at idle mode, I think. So I'm gonna wake up the device now. That's a good graph. Then let's try standby mode. I think I like what I'm seeing. Then I'll try to wake it up. System wake up, it's powering up. Then let's try backup mode. Let's just wait until the waveform zooms in. And let's try off mode. Did I lose my COM port? Oh, the backup mode can only be exit if reset pin is activated. So we have to reset the module. There we go. And let's try off mode. I'm gonna reset the MCU again. Then let's try the last option, dynamic power gating example. So I think that's it. We've shown a very quick demo of the current consumption of the SAMR34 using the Xplained Pro and the embedded XAM. So thank you.